the IOCCC best real emulator.
Actually.
Really? I mean, we've had some real emulators, but this is really obfuscated.
Okay, well, let's really bring out the trophy then and see who won.
And the IOCCC Best Real Emulator Award goes to Nick Craig Wood from the United Kingdom.
And here is the source. Now, you might think it looks like a certain handheld device of a certain game of a certain era, but the lawyers might differ, right? So this is just obfuscated C code. That's all it is.
I think it was called the Playboy, right?
Yeah.
Yes. It is a fun bit of stuff. There'll be a couple of challenges, but let's see what happens. When you look at the code and try to say script, you get a ROM. And here's a ROM where it says calculating pi, 1 digit at a time using a certain CPU. Please wait. The CPU is sincere. It's not a fast thing. But it will begin to print out digits of pi, and it kind of does it 4 at a time. I think our fine producer
we can
saved us
we can speed it up a bit here. Let's do that. Look.
Yeah. Let's speed it up here faster than real time. And we can then sort of quit the thing at some point. It's got digits of pi. You could try this other thing called test or tic-tac-toe. Here's a tic-tac-toe. And this is a tic-tac-toe game, where you can do tic-tac-toe, a nice public domain, traditional game that you can go and play against the computer. And, if you're correct, you can draw. You could also try to run it. There's a test program. There's an emulator to show you the motion and graphics and other positional stuff, and sort of used for testing the basic functionality of it. But what's happening is that if you have a 32K ROM file from the original game, the original 32K ROM file, in this particular case, this one was obtained legally, but it has to be original ROM file, and give it as a file, it will emulate it.
I don't think that this guy is a real licensed doctor. I think that he's a pill pusher. Who disinfects a bottle with pills? That should be a stomach at best. I mean, he's just... I don't see... That's just not fair. This guy.
Only there's one concern about this entry. It cannot run Linux.
Now, I would say, I would wonder if someone could actually, of course, the thing would be have it run BSD, right? Because people port BSD. I would not be surprised if someone has already ported BSD to this
on a 64. On a 64K, sure, should be possible.
Definitely very buggy.
I know Linux BSD actually can run in a nice state.
Yeah.
But as I say, it is a so you have to have an original 30K ROM file. Now the author actually generated those things like chess and a test program, and pi was written by the author. Same with tic-tac-toe. There's some other public domain examples of that. The author did use, by the way, a large language model to code some of the games the author wrote. Now, this one was a original ROM by somebody who originally bought it fairly and squarely. And so if you have a fair and square original ROM, or you write your own, or you use a large language model to code your own, it'll run it just fine. So I am truly impressed with this system.
Whoop, whoop.
Congratulations to Nick for their third winning entry and their IOCCC29 hat trick. Yay, hat trick!
Hooray! And we have a hat trick of hat tricks.
Excellent.
Yeah, that is
and
fantastic. Congratulations and best of luck on your pending litigation.
No, it's all honest, all fair use.
Yes, absolutely.
There, but congratulations to Nick